September 5th marks the first day of school for many of our Spokane students.
As the back-to-school rush ramps up, we want to remind drivers to leave extra time for your commute. Slow down and watch for kids biking and walking to and from school.
School zones are slow zones, 20 miles per hour for a reason. Reducing your speed gives you more reaction time, creating a safer situation for everyone involved.
Keep this in mind. The chance of a fatality crash with a pedestrian more than doubles, going from 20 miles an hour to 30 miles an hour. Be aware around school buses too. If the red lights are flashing and the sign is extended, stop to protect children as they get on or off the bus.
Minimize distractions and keep your focus on the road. That goes for our student pedestrians as well. Be aware of your surroundings, especially when you're crossing the street.
Let's make this school year a safe year for everyone.
Have a great school year.